What's up guys, All Electric Muscle here today talking about service centers. So, the big thing to know about service centers. One, make sure if you're going to a service center, you don't really need to go. Tesla has mobile service techs that will come to your place of work, your place of business, or your home to repair your car if needed. 99% of the time, that's going to take care of your issue. However, there is that 1% where it may not be taking care of your issue, so you're going to have to go to your nearest service center. So there's a few things you can do to prepare before you go. The first thing you can do, and I cannot stress it enough, send bug reports. It's very easy to do. Simply hold your voice command, say bug report, or say what's going on with the car. So for example, you'll say bug report, car's acting funny. Whatever detail you want to use, send it to Tesla. Send as many as you like. The more information Tesla has, the better. If you can, take pictures of the issue or try and take some video. It definitely helps out the service center team. You all know what happens when you're having an issue. You'll try and mimic the issue again with somebody there, with a pro, and you can't mimic the issue, and now nobody believes you. The next thing you should do before you start heading to the service center, do a walk around your car with a video camera. Take video of your car all the way around your vehicle, do a complete 360, and make sure your car is the way you want it to look when you get it back. It may not be as clean, but what you're really looking for is to make sure you don't see scratches, you don't see dents, or any minor issues. I also recommend doing a quick 360 interior of your vehicle, making sure the leather isn't scratched, there's no fading on your leather, making sure there's no cracks on your screens, just in case something does happen. Be nice, be patient. There's going to be a lot of people there, especially in the Orange County area. A lot of people are demanding. Just be patient with them. They will take great care of your car, and they're going to take great care of you. You will not be in and out in 5 minutes. I would anticipate being there for at least an hour, maybe an hour and a half. You don't have to do this, but I love to do it for the guys. Bring some energy drinks. My local service center, they love Red Bulls, so sometimes I'll bring 10 to 12 Red Bulls for them, just so that way they know I appreciate all the hard work they're doing. They spend late hours there. I've gone to Superchargers that are right next to service centers at midnight, and I've seen the guys in there still working. Now just don't leave a note saying that this is for the service center employees. Make sure you find some of the service center techs there and hand them the drinks. You can leave all those drinks in your car, they will not touch them because they don't believe it's for them. Even with the note, you have to hand deliver all that stuff to them. It might be bribing, but I personally like to do it for them. While you're at the service center, make sure to tell them you sent bug reports and try and show them the video and pictures that you also have. So if Tesla needs to keep your car for a while, I also recommend having your insurance and ID ready. Tesla's going to give you another loaner Tesla, so you won't be in a gas car, and the best part is you're getting another Tesla. I recommend when you get your loaner vehicle, you're going to have a service rep there with you, do a full walk around the car, use your camera as well, take pictures of the inside and the interior, just in case you find something. You will have to put down a $100 security deposit, but you do get it back once you give them the car back. So you told the service team about the issues you're having. You got your loaner vehicle. Last but not least, make sure to get out all your valuables. I personally like to take my registration with me too. In case there is a break-in, I just want to make sure my personal information is safe. And don't expect to be in that loaner vehicle too long. Tesla is really great nowadays about getting your car back to you immediately. They want to make sure you're satisfied and they want to make sure you're happy. The best part is, while you're doing all this, Tesla's going to send you text messages about your car. They'll even send you videos or pictures showing you the repair process if you request it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any hints or tips for going to a service center, make sure to leave a comment below. Also make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that way we can continue making more videos for you. If you have any videos you want us to make, please leave a comment as well below for us. Again, as always, drive safe.